Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about the topic embedded sentences. Let us discuss the meaning of the word embedded. Can you observe the picture given? Try to describe what is the work going on in this picture. Yes, a stone is being embedded into a jewelry. So, embedded is adding something to an already existing structure so that it adds more quality or beauty to the existing. This is what we are going to do in the topic embedded sentences. An embedded clause is often used in a sentence to create or add more information about the main clause. It helps to provide added information about the subject in the main clause. Example: my brand new phone was lost. So, in this sentence, it is stated clearly that a new phone is being lost. So, when we add the embedded clause or a relative clause, which I bought yesterday, to this sentence, it gives a more added and a clear information. Like, my brand new phone which I bought yesterday was lost. Embedded clause gives more information about the subject in the main clause and enhances the overall meaning to the reader. Most embedded clauses begin with who, which, where, and that. It stands in between the main clause and the subordinate clause to add more meaning to the sentence. It cannot stand alone and convey any meaning. Embedded clause is divided into two types: nominal clause and relative clause. In relative clause, we can frame words using who, which, when, and where. Whereas in nominal clause, we can use that. Any clause can be used according to the type of the sentence and which makes it to work better. Let us discuss one by one. In nominal clause, when the given noun in the main clause is an abstract noun or a common noun, then the nominal clause that has to be used as an embedded clause. We can see the examples. The first example: I conveyed all the messages that was given to me by our principal. So the main clause here is I conveyed all the messages. So the subject is messages. So to represent it, I have used that as the clause. In the second one, the important fact is that the papers has to be submitted before starting the presentation. So here the main clause here is fact, important fact. So as an abstract noun, I have used the nominal clause that. Next one, the family that lives next to us comes from America. Here in the main clause, the subject is the common noun, the family. Let us see the relative clauses. Who, which, where, and when can be used as relative clause to relate the main clause with the subordinate clause. So first one, he is the guy who won the first prize. So in the main clause, the subject is a guy and the relative clause who is used in the relative clause. Second one, this is the institution where I got graduated. The subject in the main clause is institution, a place. So, the relative clause where is used. Third one, the computer which was bought last week is not working. The computer is the main subject, so which is used for relative clause. I lived in the village when I was young. So it denotes the time. So the relative clause when is used. Fill in the blanks using proper clause. Now just identify the clause given in each sentence. The person who won the prize has gone to his native. Second one, the paper bundle which I sent through courier reached the spot. The remote village where I was brought up has been developed now. Next one, she didn't inform when she will come to home. Fifth one, the project that I presented was a great success. In each of these sentences, try to identify the embedded sentence. So the answers are the first sentence, the person who won the prize has gone to his native. The embedded clauses, who won the prize. Second one, the bundle which I sent through courier reached the spot. The embedded sentences, which I sent through courier. The remote village where I was brought up has been developed now. The embedded clauses, where I was brought up. She didn't inform when she will come to home. The embedded clauses, when she will. And the last one, the project that I presented was a great success. So, that I presented is the embedded clause. Thank you for watching.